Okay, next topic is transportation. So now the food is digested with the help of the oxygen. The food is converted into energy. Those energy and the food molecules and other nutrients which can be transported into the body. So we need a transport system. So you already know that the blood is the transport system which is present in human beings. This blood also contains plasma, a fluid medium. This helps to movement of oxygen, food and other nutrients. So we need a pumping organ, that is we call it as an heart. So in exam they ask explain double circulation. The important point is diagram is very important. It asks for 3 marks or 4 marks. It is compulsory. Either in control and coordination brain diagram, otherwise heart is very important diagram for 4 marks. Next, heart. So now the structure of heart. Heart, you already know that it is a muscular organ. Which is as big as our fist. ನಮ್ಮ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡನ್ನ ಈ ಥರ ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಮುಷ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಆಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಫಿಸ್ಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ 4 chambers, that is left atrium, left ventricle, right atrium and right ventricle. These are the 4 chambers which are present in the heart. So how blood is circulated in the heart? They ask what is double circulation. Double, it indicates twice. See here, each cycle blood enters into heart twice. That means 2 times. So we call this one as a double circulation. So one is part is left and right part. In left part oxygenated blood is transported and in the right part deoxygenated blood. So we go with an how this mechanism will be taken place. So here first oxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood means when oxygen is enter into the body, it is passed into the heart, then it transports into other parts of the body. How it enters with blood? So through pulmonary veins, the blood, that is oxygenated blood, enter into left atrium when it relaxes. Left atrium relaxes, blood, oxygenated blood from pulmonary veins enter into left atrium. When it contracts, this blood from left atrium passes into left ventricle when this left ventricle relaxes. After passing blood into the left ventricle, this left ventricle also contracts. When this contract, blood from left ventricle through aorta, it passes into the all over the body. This is the oxygenated blood part. And then deoxygenated blood, that means carbon dioxide rich blood, from all over the body, from upper vena cava and lower vena cava. These are upper and lower vena cava. This enter into the right atrium when this right atrium relaxes. This deoxygenated blood, when right atrium contracts, it passes into right ventricle when this relaxes. When this right ventricle contracts through pulmonary arteries, it comes back to the lungs for oxygenation. See here, once oxygenated blood enter into the heart and deoxygenated blood also enter into the heart, that means blood entered twice into the heart each cycle. So this process we called it as an double circulation. This is very important. Either they may ask diagram, otherwise they ask what is double circulation, justify or explain like this. Then another important question is differentiate between arteries and veins. Arteries, those you already know that pulmonary arteries and pulmonary veins. We know that veins, those enters the blood into the heart, but arteries, they take blood outside of the heart. So what is the difference between these arteries and veins? Very important question. Arteries, these are having a thick walls, elastic walls, because these arteries, they can pump the blood from the heart into the various organs of the body. So they have thick and elastic walls and also under high pressure. Then veins, these collect the blood from all over the body and enter into the heart. So these are having only thin walls. There is no need of high pressure. They are having a low pressure. So these are the important questions of related to heart, that is transportation system. What is double circulation? Explain this and also differentiate between arteries and veins.